There is no single best AI customer service agent, and any list that hands you one is selling something. 8 were held to 4 bars. It takes action, it names real production customers, it follows the customer across channels, and it has a pricing story that survives scrutiny. What burns most buyers is not the product, it is the shape of the bill. So this covers the bar, the 8, the money, and how to pick. Here is the shape of the list before the detail. Eesel AI is standalone and sits on your current help desk. TDO, Lyro, and Gorgias are the self-serve picks for small teams and Shopify stores. Zendesk AI Agents is bundled inside Suite. Decagon and Sierra are enterprise and sales-led. Ada is standalone but gated at $300,000 a year. And Forethought fits enterprise on Salesforce or legacy Zendesk. Start with the bar because every vendor on this list will tell you it has AI. A chatbot follows scripted rules and answers questions. An agent is different. The ticket arrives on email, chat, voice, or messaging. It reads intent and context, grounded in your own tickets and docs. It calls the API, so it looks up an order or processes a refund. Then it resolves or escalates, and confidence decides which. Confident, it closes the ticket. Unsure, it escalates with a draft. Out of scope, it leaves the ticket alone. 4 bars decided who made the list, actually agentic, meaning it takes action rather than answering from a help center. Named production deployments, with numbers you can verify instead of anonymous Fortune 500 claims. Multi-channel, so the same context follows the customer across 2 channels or more, and a pricing story that survives scrutiny, public, or at least a known shape. Now the 8, grouped by the trade each one asks you to accept. Decagon is the swap for teams burned by a flow builder. Chime reports 70% resolution across chat and voice, and its procedures are written in plain English, then compiled into code, so operators iterate without engineers. But it is sales-led only, and the smallest bracket on its demo form is under 10,000 tickets a month. Sierra prices on outcomes, so you pay when the contracted outcome lands. Rocket Mortgage, SoFi, and Sonos are customers. No published rate though. Ada and Forethought both sit on top of the help desk you already have. Ada is genuinely help desk agnostic across Zendesk, Salesforce, and ServiceNow. Monday.com cut average handle time 42%, and Apessi reported 943% return in 4 months. The catch is on its own pricing page, which rules out anyone under 300,000 conversations a year. Forethought's Wedge is a browser agent that drives tools with no API. Upwork halved time to resolution. TDO Lyro is the cheapest way in. 50 Lyro chats are free, then paid plans start at $24 a month, and there is money back if resolution stays under 50%. The problem is 3 meters at once: billable chats, Lyro chats, and flows visitors. Gorgias is the Shopify pick with the deepest native store data here. From $10 a month plus 90 cents per resolved chat, it is the wrong shape outside e-commerce with no voice yet. Zendesk is the incumbent play, one toggle away if you already run Suite. The Essential tier is bundled, but it has no scripted dialogues and no authorized actions. Advanced adds actions and API calls, and it is rolling into Suite plans through 2026. Then there is the meter. Verified resolutions draw down an allowance, and teardowns put overage at $1.20 to $1.50 each. No graceful cap. The only control is pausing the AI. Operators on the Zendesk subreddit describe the Essentials tier as not feeling like AI at all. There is a hard number behind the complaint. At Zendesk's own 2025 Product Lab conference, a poll found only about 10% of the AI agents built in the previous 6 months were still in use. Abandonment, not accuracy, is the risk nobody prices in. The money now, because the pricing shape moves your bill more than the logo does. 4 shapes cover the market. Per resolution, $1.20 to $1.50 at Zendesk, moves with the definition the vendor sets. Outcomes based at Sierra never publishes a rate, and moves with whether the contracted outcome landed. Seat plus an AI add-on, Gorgias and TDO, moves with headcount and then adds a second meter. Per ticket, 40 cents at Eesel AI moves with the ticket volume the AI handled, resolved or not. Here is where buyers get burned. They treat the per resolution rate as the headline price. It is not. The real bill is the rate multiplied by your monthly resolution count, and nobody forecasts that count until they have been live about 6 months. Per resolution plans have no ceiling either. And for the sales-led platforms, buyers report a yearly band of $30,000 to $300,000. 4 questions in this order, and the second one disqualifies half the market. 4 questions in order. Which help desk are you on, and are you moving? What is your yearly volume? Because under 250,000 rules 3 vendors out. Can your CFO sign on outcomes? Most cannot. And do you want self-serve or service-led, a same-day start or 6 to 12 weeks? Staying under 250k and self-serve means eesel AI, TDO Lyro or Gorgias. Above 300,000 with a long runway, Ada, Decagon or Forethought. If the CFO will sign on outcomes, Sierra transfers the risk. One line from a sales call is the most important sentence in this buying process. A CX lead at a supplements brand running 7,000 tickets a month put it plainly. They need an AI that only handles the tickets it is confident to handle and leaves the rest alone, because they cannot audit 7,000 tickets to check whether the AI answered well. Most vendors here treat confidence-based routing as a footnote. 3 things to hold on to. Action, not retrieval, is what makes something an agent, so make every vendor show you a lookup or a refund. Volume decides your shortlist before a single feature does, because 3 of these platforms will not sell to you under 300,000 conversations. And the shape of the bill outruns the choice of vendor. Price 1 identical month under each shape before you shortlist on features. That is where eesel AI sits. It joins the help desk you already pay for, including Zendesk, Freshdesk, Gorgias and Intercom, and learns from your past tickets and help center. Pricing is 40 cents per ticket, flat, whether the AI resolves it or not, so there is no resolution meter to forecast. Confidence-based routing and ticket type exclusion are first-class controls here, not footnotes. Simulation replays eesel AI across thousands of your own past tickets before it answers a customer, so the resolution rate you see is yours. Start with $50 of free usage credit, no card and no sales call. The full 8 agent comparison with the pricing tables for each is linked in the description.